The royal family's popularity across the world contributes to the UK economy, bringing in tourists hoping to take a peek into the royal family's lives. In 2017, the British monarchy contributed an estimated £1.8 billion to the UK economy, including £550 million in tourism. But it's expensive to run a royal household, and Queen Elizabeth II isn't exactly footing the bill on her own. One of the main sources of the Queen's annual income is the sovereign grant. It pays for the Queen's official duties, including travel, entertaining, and maintenance of the royal palaces. The sovereign grant is public money, but it's not as simple as each taxpayer paying their share. The sovereign grant is funded by profits from a £13 billion real estate and property portfolio. It's called the Crown Estate, and it's technically owned by the reigning monarch. But the royal family doesn't get to keep all of the profits. The money first goes to the Treasury, which then pays a percentage back to the Queen as the sovereign grant. For the next decade, the Queen will receive 25% of the profits from the Crown Estate each year, an increase from the 15% she previously received. In 2019, that adds up to over £82 million. The increase will be used to pay for renovations at Buckingham Palace. With just over 66 million citizens of the United Kingdom, the 2019 sovereign grant breaks down to a little more than £1 per person. That's not all the money the Queen has, though. Calculating the full extent of the Queen's wealth isn't easy, since she doesn't have to disclose her private accounts. But recent estimates put her personal net worth at £370 million, nearly $500 million. With the sovereign grant paying for many of her annual expenses, that amount is likely to keep growing.